Luxury bags. They're a statement, a symbol, and let's be real, a serious investment. But in the world of high fashion, there's always a debate. Should you go for an authentic designer bag, or does a high-quality replica like those from Kislux do the trick? Today, we're going deep into the making of both. How do they compare in craftsmanship, materials, and overall quality? And at the end, we'll drop 10 mind-blowing facts about designer bags versus replicas that might just surprise you. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about how these bags are made. A true designer bag, whether it's a Louis Vuitton, Chanel, or Hermès, is crafted with meticulous precision. These brands have decades, sometimes over a century, of expertise in leatherworking. Their artisans are trained for years to perfect their techniques. Luxury houses use premium leathers like full-grain calfskin, exotic skins like crocodile and ostrich, and high-end canvas with unique coatings. The stitching? Perfectly even, precise, and often done by hand. A Birkin bag, for example, takes about 18 to 25 hours to complete, while a Chanel classic flap undergoes 180 different manufacturing steps. Now, let's look at Kislux. While not handcrafted by the original brands, Kislux has earned a reputation for making some of the highest quality replicas on the market. Their process mimics authentic designer techniques, using real leather, high-quality dyes, and sturdy stitching. But is it exactly the same? Let's find out. Kislux bags begin with carefully sourced leather, often full-grain or top-grain leather to closely match the texture and durability of luxury brands. The leather is then dyed using advanced tanning methods to achieve accurate color replication. Some versions even undergo a patina process to create a worn-in luxury feel. Once the leather is ready, expert craftsmen cut and stitch the pieces together. Unlike true luxury houses where stitching is almost entirely hand-done, Kislux combines machine precision with hand-finishing techniques. Many of their bags feature saddle stitching, a meticulous method also used by Hermès to ensure long-lasting durability. Next, the hardware is custom manufactured to replicate designer specifications. While designer brands often use proprietary, high-quality metals, sometimes gold-plated, Kislux hardware is often made from high-polished stainless steel or brass designed to mimic the weight and shine of the originals. The final step includes embossing, logo detailing, and a thorough quality check to make sure the replica closely matches the real thing. Let's start with materials. High-end designer bags use ethically sourced, top-tier leather and fabrics. Brands like Hermès even have their own tanneries to ensure exclusivity. These materials age beautifully over time, developing a rich patina. Kislux bags? They use high-quality leather too, often full-grain or top-grain, which are still luxurious but may not be treated the exact same way. Some replicas also use vegan leather alternatives, which feel different to the touch. The stitching? Surprisingly close. Some Kislux bags even mimic saddle stitching, the kind used in Hermès bags, but the longevity is where things might differ. Real designer bags are made to last decades, sometimes even lifetimes. Replicas? They'll hold up well, but not always for as long. Now, here's where things get interesting. If you're a luxury connoisseur, you'll know the devil is in the details. Hardware is one major giveaway. High-end brands use custom-made hardware with a unique finish. Think 24K gold plating on a Chanel bag, or the super durable palladium hardware on a Birkin. Kislux does a great job replicating this, but the weight, engraving depth, and sheen might be slightly off. Logos are another area of scrutiny. Authentic designer logos have a specific font, spacing, and embossing depth that's nearly impossible to duplicate perfectly. Kislux? They get pretty close, but sometimes a trained eye can spot minor spacing differences. Then there's the interior. Luxury brands go all out with high-quality suede, lambskin linings, and reinforced pocket stitching. Kislux bags often have quality interiors too, but in some cases the linings can be a little stiffer or smoother than the originals. Here's a surprising fact. The replica market is booming, and Kislux is one of the brands at the forefront of this wave. Why? Because designer prices have skyrocketed. A classic Chanel bag that cost $5,000 a decade ago now costs nearly $10,000. That's a big jump. Kislux offers a way for fashion lovers to get the same look and feel without breaking the bank. And let's be real, many of these bags look so close to the real thing that most people can't tell the difference. Some argue that replicas democratize fashion, making luxury more accessible. Others, especially collectors, see authenticity as part of the allure. What do you think? Drop a comment below. Buying an authentic Chanel or Hermes bag isn't just a splurge, it's an investment. But what about replica bags? Do they hold any value, or are they worthless the moment you buy them? Let's summarize the comparisons. Starting with resale value. High-end bags from brands like Chanel and Louis Vuitton appreciate in value. Some rare bags sell for double or triple their retail price. A $10,000 Birkin today might be worth $30,000 in 10 years. Replicas generally lose value the moment they're purchased. Most secondhand marketplaces ban the sale of counterfeits. While you can sell an authentic bag for a profit, a replica won't get you much, if anything, in return. Buying a luxury bag online? Be careful. There are tons of fakes out there. Here's how to spot the real from the fake. Here are 5 key signs of a fake bag. Number 1, price too good to be true. Number 2, material and stitching details. Number 3, logo and fonts. Number 4, serial numbers and authenticity cards. Number 5, hardware and zippers. Remember, if it looks too perfect or too cheap, it's probably fake. All right, it's time for 10 fun facts about designer bags and replicas that you probably didn't know. Number 1, the world's most expensive bag, the Hermes Himalaya Birkin, costs more than a house, over $500,000. Replicas of this bag exist, but they'll never quite match the rarity of the real deal. Number 2, Louis Vuitton burns unsold bags to maintain exclusivity. That's right, no discount bins here. Kislux, on the other hand, offers similar styles without the hefty markup. Number 3, some luxury brands microchip their bags to combat counterfeits. Kislux bags don't have this feature yet. Number 4, a well-made Kislux bag can pass casual authenticity checks, but trained professionals can still spot differences in leather grain, logo embossing, and stitching. Number 5, luxury brands increase prices regularly. Hermes, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton do it at least once a year. This makes well-preserved designer bags a solid investment. Number 6, Kislux replicas are often made in the same regions as authentic designer bags, sometimes even in the same factories. Number 7, the smell test is real. Authentic designer leather has a distinct aroma due to vegetable tanning, while some replicas use different chemical processes. Number 8, Chanel's quilting is laser measured for symmetry. Kislux does a good job, but there may be tiny inconsistencies in the diamond patterns. Number 9, Hermes artisans sign their work with hidden stamps, one way to confirm authenticity. Kislux bags don't have these unique artisan marks. Number 10, most luxury brands use custom patented materials that can't be legally copied 100%. That's why replicas, no matter how good, will always have subtle differences. So, what's the verdict? Are designer bags worth the splurge, or are high-quality replicas a smart alternative? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more luxury deep dives. Until next time, stay stylish.